All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I want to start off by giving all praises and glory and honors to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Harakah Kodash, and double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone Ruel. Peace and blessings and salutations to the hopeful elect, the Bayat, Dawadah, the house of David. All right, so I got just a quick video for you, brothers, right? It's just going to be a real quick one. And I'm going to let you just listen in. And I'm going to let you hear, okay? All right, let's go. It says, when will 6G become reality? All right, and as you can see, these Moabites here, right? Moab, and they're talking about 6G. Now, as we know, right, we always say this, okay, that Moab is the prototype for Esau's system, his setup technology of his new world order, right? And as we can see right here, they're talking about it. So, they're talking about the 6G and the reality of Internet of Things, Internet of Body, and so on and so forth, right? So let me just play this and just listen in.
When 5G arrived, we were told it would change society, and it did. But when we look towards 6G, the question is no longer just about speed. It's about connectivity and intelligence everywhere, on the ground, in the air, and in space.
At the Zhongguancun Forum, I spoke with telecommunications experts about what 6G really means.
If I had to describe 6G with some keywords, the first would be AI native. The 6G network is no longer just a communication network. It deeply integrates AI capabilities. Every network unit, base stations, terminals, core networks, will have built-in AI computing power. That means AI agents won't just live in distant data centers. They'll be right beside you, in your phone, on the base station you're connected to, even on routing nodes.
I think I got it. Today, when you interact with an AI assistant, the latency is noticeable. In the 6G era, the experience will be seamless.
The second key feature of 6G is fully integrated space, air, ground, sea network. Today's 5G is mostly terrestrial, even in China, which boasts the world's most extensive ground network. But in the 6G era, satellites will do so much more. They may carry base stations, creating a network for you, whether you're in a city or in the middle of the ocean.
So when will all of this become reality for ordinary users?
中国已经完成了6G 第一阶段的关键技术的一系列的。
China has already completed its first phase of 6G technology trials. Over 300 technologies validated in labs and test networks. The next step, from 2026 to 2028, is to integrate these individual technologies into real devices. The first set of 6G standards is expected around 2029, with trial commercial deployment around 2030. By 2035, we could see 6G smartphones in everyday use, along with applications that aren't possible on 5G.
But challenges remain. Global standards competition is fierce, core component supply chains need to mature, and building a 6G network will cost significantly more than 5G. Yet amid these challenges, China is embracing innovation and collaboration with a more open and inclusive mindset.
The network needs to be AI native because AI is actually shouldn't be dominated by only the big powers. By building an open ecosystem, you actually let different players from application layer, device layer, robotic layers have a platform that people can build their capability.
From AI-native networks to space-based infrastructure, 6G promises a future where connectivity is smarter and more pervasive. The road ahead is complex, but if the vision holds, this next generation of wireless technology could reshape how we live and work. 刘嘉欣 CGTN 北京。
All right, so with that, we're going to say Shalom.